guys. All right. So our question this week is how can you find your way around? So we're going to watch a video about kids using a map. Are you ready?
English Sing Sing.
Map. Let's see. Well, how to use a map? Map. Map. It's a map.
Okay, do you guys see this right here, the compass? Remember we try to use this to locate something, locate.
What's this? Compass rose. Compass rose. North. South. East. West. It's a compass rose. Ah, what about this? Scale. Scale. It's a scale. What about this? Map key. Map key. It's a map key. Ah, what's this? Coordinate. Coordinate. It's a coordinate. What about this? Latitude. Latitude. It's a latitude. What's this? Longitude. Longitude. It's a longitude. Okay, let's go. Review.
Map. Compass rose. North. South. East. West. Scale. Map key. Coordinate. Latitude. Longitude.
Alright, so we learned a little bit about a map today. That's pretty cool. Those lines are imaginary on there. When you see the map, this is a longitude and latitude line. Alright, we're going to keep on going. It's about height. The height of something is how tall it is. So height, just like you have a height, on there you see a ruler, 0 through 7. That is the height you use to measure something. So we use a ruler. Model. A model is a small copy of something large. So if you ever have gone to like a museum, there's one I know in Wichita that have like little smaller models of like trains and those kind of things. It's a smaller version of the big thing that you could see out like on train tracks. Alright, separate. Separate. When you separate two things, you keep them apart from each other. So one reason why you might have to separate is because you might be mad. Look at this boy, he's mad. So you need to separate to have some time to cool off. Alright, we're going to read a story called Map It. Okay? When I read, I can read parts of the story to make sure I understand it correctly. Okay? Then I can reread and I can look at the pictures or the illustrations again to help me understand and think about all the details in the story. Remember, details are the things that they give us that are specific, like red or big, like things that they tell us that describe that object. Okay? All right, so we're gonna read it. Are you ready? Sorry guys. Here we go.
Map it. What kinds of maps are there? How can we use them? What kind of picture can show a whole country? A map can. A map is a special kind of picture that people can use to locate places. There are many kinds of maps. This is a map of our country, the United States. Two other countries, Canada and Mexico, touch the United States. The lines on the map are borders, which divide countries and states from each other. This map also shows all of the states in our country. The states are different colors. Two states, Hawaii and Alaska, are pictured in special boxes called insets. This is because they are located far beyond the boundaries of the map. Which states in our country are the biggest? Which states are the smallest? What else can you see on this map? You can see bodies of water. The Atlantic Ocean, the Pacific Ocean, and the Gulf of Mexico are all large bodies of water that surround the United States.
Alright, so this is a map of the United States. Let's see if we can find Kansas. Oh, look, I found Kansas right there in the middle. Okay, and do you see all the water around us that they were talking about? Alright, let's keep reading.
Which is the highest? A mountain, a hill, or flat land? A mountain is highest, as this kind of map shows. Look at the colors on the map. They show the height of different parts of land in the United States. The map also shows the oceans around our country and some of its big lakes and rivers. The map has a key. A map key gives information about the map and helps you to use it. This key shows you which areas on the map are flat, hilly, or mountainous. The purple areas show mountains, which are the highest kind of land. The green areas show lands that are mostly flat. The orange areas show hilly land, which means the land is raised and rounded. The blue areas on the map show bodies of water. Oceans, lakes, and rivers are shown in blue. Can you find mountains on the map? How can you tell this area has mountains? Take a look at Florida. Is the land there flat, hilly, or mountainous? What about your state?
Alright, so there's Florida. Now, is it flat, hilly, or mountain? Remember, we use the key up here. And it's green, so it's flat. Flat. And then our Kansas is right up here, so it's got hills. See the hills? They're right in there.
This map shows the whole Earth. You can see all of the continents. A continent is a very large area of land. Sometimes there are many countries on one continent. There are 54 countries in the continent of Africa. A continent may also have no countries. Antarctica, the continent of the South Pole, has no countries at all. Earth's oceans are giant bodies of water that are all connected. However, we usually think of them as separate oceans. A compass rose shows the 4 directions: north, south, east, and west. North is the direction toward the North Pole. South is the direction toward the South Pole. If you are facing north, east is to your right, west is to your left, and south is behind you. Look at the compass rose. Can you find the continent that is east of Europe? Can you find the ocean that is west of North America? Which continents have you visited? Which continents would you like to visit? Another way of viewing the whole Earth is by looking at a globe. Have you ever used a globe to see the world? You can spin a globe to see all of the water and land on our planet. A globe is a model of Earth. Like Earth, a globe is round.
Alright, so we are on the continent North America, and there's 3 countries. We have Canada, then we have the United States, and then Mexico. Okay? And we're in North America. Okay? And Miss Mason has never been out of North America. but maybe you have it. One day, though, Miss Mason would like to go to Europe and see Europe. I think it'd be really cool to travel there. All right, here we go.
On a map, places look smaller than they really are. Imagine if you had to show a full-size mile on a map. The map would be much too big for anyone to use. That is why a map scale is so helpful. This map shows imaginary towns that are close to each other and the special places in each town. Look at the map scale. This scale tells us that 1 inch on the map is equal to 1 mile. We can use a ruler to find out how many inches are between 2 places on the map. Then we can figure out the best route for getting from one place to another. Do you see where Raoul lives in the town of York? Do you see the stadium in the town of Branson? Imagine that Raoul wants to go to the stadium. How could he get there? You can measure the distance between the 2 places on the map. Every inch between the 2 places stands for a mile. How many miles is it from Raoul's house to the stadium? How many miles is it from the stadium to the airport? Imagine Raoul wants to go from the airport to the zoo. How would he get there? How many miles is it? Where else could Raoul go? How long will it take him to get there? Maps come in many shapes, sizes, and colors. They can show all of the continents on Earth or just a few streets in a town. Learning how to use maps can help us get from place to place.
Alright, so when we use a map, a lot of times if you have your parents pull up their GPS, they have a map kind of looks like this, so it'll kind of tell you the roads and those kind of things and tell you along the way where things are. So this is a map. Alright. Alright, I'm going to say the sounds. I want you guys to say the sounds, and I'm going to tell you to put a new word sound at the beginning. You're going to tell me the new word. So ill, put ch in front of it. What's the new word? Chill. Good job. Eat, put w. Wheat. Good job. In, add ch. What's a new word? Chin. Good job. Ant, put ch at the beginning. Remember, putting at the beginning. What's a new word? Chant. Good job. Am, put w at the beginning. What's the new word? Wham. Good job. You have at, put ch in front. What is it? Chat. Good job. Remember, we're talking about ch. Ch says ch, like in chair. We have tch, ch, and then we have w, wh, and ph. Alright, let's tap these words out. Are you ready? Ch, s, chess. Okay, make sure you're tapping with me. Ch, ick, chick. O, ch, o, ch, lunch. B, ch, bunch. Alright, we're going to fill in the word with the missing digraph. What would that be? W, H. Good job. Alright. Then we have cheese. Cheese. C, H. Good job. Now we have photo. Photo. P, H. Good job. Now we have wheel. What digraph is wheel? Wheel. W, H. Good job.